Hello, it's me again. I'm just making a small short video now to say thanks for the one that sent me that Philippine shirt from Philippines. And that's about it for now because I made videos before. So, like I said, it's a nice day. I'm in my truck now, so I don't know how many subscribers I can get here in YouTube. I only have 635. I need at least 1,000. I don't know who can subscribe for me for 1,000. If you can, 1,000 would be great. So anyway, I'll make another video later on with my friends. I don't know where I'm going yet. So thanks again for the shirt you sent me, and from Philippines again, and see you later. And thanks everyone to subscribe to me so I can get 1,000 at least here and YouTube. So see you later. Bye for now.